You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Today we will start with the oil market, which has been showing fairly high growth rates for the second trading day in a row. This is largely due to the appearance of the opposite signal to the one that triggered the collapse of oil prices. Recall that the sales were caused by the release of unexpectedly very weak data on changes in the level of business activity in the U.S. manufacturing sector. But on Wednesday, data from ISM arrived, which recorded a significant increase in business activity in the service sector. The growth of this index indicated the relative stability of the largest economy, thereby canceling the bearish scenario. If everything is relatively clear with the oil market, then the situation on the stock market remains uncertain. After all, the mood in the stock market depends on the Fed's decision on the key interest rate. But incoming statistics from the United States give opposite signals almost every day, thereby increasing uncertainty. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the publication of macroeconomic reports, including from the United States. The main event of today may be the publication of a report on the labor market in the United States. This is not only about the number of jobs created in the non-agricultural sector of the United States, but also about the average hourly wage. If the unemployment rate rises, with an unexpected slowdown in the growth rate of average hourly wages and a decrease in the number of people employed in the non-agricultural sector, demand for the US dollar may decrease markedly. Indeed, in this case, the probability of monetary policy easing by the Federal Reserve will increase. This is also a bullish scenario for the stock market and may even act as a deterrent for oil buyers. After all, the general deterioration of the labor market situation will indicate a slowdown in the world's largest economy, which is the main consumer of black gold. Shifting to the cryptocurrency market, we also note the optimism of investors, but they continue to be cautious ahead of the publication of a report on the labor market in the United States. Let's also pay attention to the significant increase in the number of outstanding options for the purchase of Bitcoin at a price of $75,000. Options with a purchase price of $180,000, respectively, are in second and third place in terms of the volume of an open position. All this points to the general optimism of investors who believe in significant growth of Bitcoin. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.